Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get the best possible sign up bonus on the platform KuCoin very quickly and very easily. So all you have to do is just simply go down to the video description and click on the link, and you will get to exactly this sign up page right here, where you only have to enter your email address and a password, and then you can create an account. And also on the left side you already see that you can get the current best bonus that is available, which is up to $500 worth of bonus. So this maybe can change in the future, but it doesn't matter. With this link you will always get the best current bonus that is available for now and for quite some time. Right now you can get these up to $500. I will also very quickly show you how you can do that. So if you have created an account and you log in, you can simply go up here to the beginner zone, and there you can check the different steps that you have to complete in order to get the nice bonuses. You have to create an account, then you get your first nice sign up bonus, and after you have deposited you will get another bonus, and then if you had trade you will get another two very nice bonuses that you can get. If you scroll down a little bit, the first $10 you will get immediately, and then you can see up to $500 that you can get down here in order after you have these steps completed. So then you will see these here right now that you will have some available bonuses and boxes that you can open. As you can see, there are some nice coupons that you can use to reduce your trading fees. Right here there are also some flat coupons for the futures trading to reduce the fees, or you can also get $5 worth of Bitcoin or Ethereum immediately, or these, which is of course the best one, up to $500 worth of US dollar tether, or a completely unknown mystery box which can include anything. So these are the very nice bonuses that you can get, up to $500 in total that you can claim right here. All you have to do is just use the link from the video description, and then you can sign up, create an account, and pick up these bonuses. If you need more tutorials on the platform KuCoin, I also have them linked down in the video description or on my YouTube channel, tutorials on how to deposit money, how to trade with leverage, or how to buy crypto on the platform. And of course, as always, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.